But in order to, again, kind of bridge that gap, I think it'd be really important for you to either volunteer somewhere or do something. You can also reach out to people who are in the industry so they can kind of gauge what you're looking for and better assist with how they can help you help them once you start working for them. So I think that's really important. But so typically skills and interests will stay in the bottom. So I would just try and figure out the different jobs, even if it's not that long, but just kind of sitting down because people are going to see. That's why another reason why it's important to use your student email, because as a student, they're going to know you don't have all the time in the world to get these jobs. Because your primary job is to be a student. So that's why I had suggest using your student email. That's what my career counselors told me. But first I had her Gmail one, which said no. Because I was a little bit worried about the admissions student assistant because she told me a lot of entry-level stuff. So she said to help kind of balance that out, to keep your student email up there until you can. So that way recruiters and people know, like, oh, he's a student. He doesn't have all this time to go apply to jobs. It's ideal, of course, but if you live in a perfect world, of course you have tons of internships, but sometimes that's not always the case. And like, even like my undergrad, I didn't have the privilege to get those unpaid internships. I had to work at Tea Coffee, and I had to save enough money to get that unpaid internship at Chamber of Commerce. That's my first foot in the door, to be quite honest. So I think that's really important to get those informational interviews and volunteering and things like that will help build when you can, because not everyone can afford to just do an unpaid internship for the resume. So people have to pay for this. So yeah. Do you have any other questions?
Nowadays with the gig economy like Uber, DoorDash, all these things, in the industry and pretty much everywhere in the society they call it like self-employees. How can we, because I do it myself, how can I introduce that to my resume? Because I understand like one of the qualities from there is like customer service, but I don't know how to introduce it to like put it in a resume like, oh, I was an Uber driver.
Okay.
Or I should put like self-employed with a customer service base.
And feel free to always research things, because sometimes, okay, I'm just going to use this person. So ensure that customer arrives safely and timely to the destination, create sales spreadsheet, okay, so this is a really good way. So as a self-employed person through Lyft, Uber, whatever it may be, you're going to have to manage, ideally, what you do. So sometimes it's easy, like when you are in a job consistently, to kind of forget the small things that you're doing on a day-to-day basis because you do them every day. So sometimes it is important to do some research and kind of step back of, oh, I didn't think about that, I do that. Like perhaps you don't have to create a Excel spreadsheet to track your mileage, but maybe it should. So you can consider things like that, how to add different skill sets that you don't even think about. So like you have to manage your time, and then also get a lay of like the land of where you're going, ensure safety, quality. Like, I don't know if you have to report back to Lyft or Uber, or you meet certain bonuses each day, or like you're able to get Lyft X amount of money, because I know there's X percentage that they take. So that's something to put in. It's just in different ways. So sometimes it is good to get a second look at what people are writing, because you may not even think about this. Like, look how this is the same job, but they're completely different. So, yeah, safety issues during VIP.
You could write something like, just being like super frank and honest about it. Like, and I don't know if this is your story or not, but like just saying, like maintaining, like something about like maintaining this job while I'm pursuing my degree in electrical engineering, or providing, maintaining a X number of hour job, a job, customer service while I'm pursuing my education, my degree in da-da-da. So that's what that job's doing. It's providing that. That's why you're doing that job. So it's good to be like, I think people like, honesty. Like, you're not trying to get an Uber job. You already got that.
That's another reason why it is important to use, while you are in school, to use that school email, because most people who have heart will see that you are a student, and yeah, sometimes you do have to manually pay for tuition because school's expensive, or you do have to pay rent because school is expensive and like life's expensive. So So you can even write like develop a time management system. So I was able to like get customers to destination X in a timely manner while maintaining like a 3.0 GPA or while a full-time student, things like that. So you can figure out some way to manipulate it a bit. It might not be like directly what you're doing as a Lyft or Uber driver, whatever self-employed position is, but you can always tie it back to being a student. So if a resident or person is looking at it like, oh, he or she was a student, so
Hard work.
get all that. Yeah.
Hard work.
Right. And that's a good skill to have, time management, able to do both. Like sometimes I don't want to create but having two project jobs and being full-time and commuting because I spend so much time in the car. So yeah, I think that's really important. And also remembering like quantitative numbers as well. So if you're like, was able to drive like 30 people a week while in school full-time or taking 2 classes, things like that. So that's an important thing too as well.
Gotcha. Thanks.
Concerns? Suggestions?
Just would like to add something to LinkedIn because in my previous job, like before being a gig economy, I was hiring people. The LinkedIn, I suggest people to update it every time that you update your resume, just because sometimes people just update the resume and then recruiters or whoever is hiring do a quick Google search of you and they find past information or your social medias, and sometimes social medias are really bad. Like for government jobs, like drinking or smoking is kind of like illegal. So just keep your social medias in private mode. Even though you want to become a social influencer, just keep in mind that. And just that.